Guess what just came, you guys? I told you it was gonna come. I knew it was gonna come the minute that I got off of my live today, but it wasn't, maybe not the next minute, but the minute after. Let's open it up, shall we? So excited. Oh good, I didn't cut anything. I always worry when I use that. Okay guys, ready? Let's do our mini haul here. I promised. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna make with them. Oh, they're so soft, you guys. This is from Hobbii. Just set them up here so I can see what I got here. So let's see. They are they're not as firmly packed in their skeins as I would like. They might try to unravel, we'll put it that way. But, so there's one colorway I don't see, and now I'm wondering if I didn't actually order it. So I'm gonna have to check on that. However, having said that, the two colorways I did order are amazing. Or they may have sent them in two separate orders. So I'm gonna have to double check on that. But I got two colorways of the same yarn. This is Hobbii Horizon. This is 100% premium acrylic, and it does feel way softer than any of the Red Heart or Big Twist acrylics. So this is the first colorway that I got, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Color 19. So this colorway, let's see what you get. Each of these are a 3-weight light. They are 200 grams or 550 meters or 601 yards. They're suggesting you use 5mm crochet hook or USH or 4mm knitting needles. Okay, so this is one colorway, and I ended up getting, because I wasn't sure how much I was going to need, I got 4, you guys. Okay, so I think I might have got too many. However, maybe not, because what I'm going to make, it says to use 600 grams, which would be 3 of these, not 4. But I believe she made hers in a small, and mine is definitely not a small because I will not fit into a small. So I will be having to extend mine to make mine into like an extra large, extra large. And so hopefully 4 will be enough for that. Okay. But that one, I just absolutely loved the blues. I love the pinks, and the rose pinks are always been my favorite. But when you add the light blue and the darker blue in there, oh, it's just so pretty, you guys. I love that. Okay, the other one that I got, color 15. So this is similar, right? They're both pinks and blues. However, this one is definitely more vintage tones. This one is more like, hey-o, wild tones, right? We've got pinks. We've got this really pretty sort of fuchsia tone. We've got a similar blue, that darker one right there that you can see, but then you're getting turquoise and aqua green in there. Oh, these are so pretty. And then you do get that rose pink in there again, right? So different for sure, but they have different vibes to them, right? I also got 4 of those, but what you can see, and I think, you know, it's just kind of the nature of this type, I think, of acrylic. It's not as stiff as the usual acrylics that you might find, like Red Heart, and so I think it's not keeping its shape as well. So one side of this one is nice, the other side though, you know, whether that's just in shipping this loosened or whatnot, or maybe they just need to make them tighter. I mean, it's not, the yarn itself though is lovely, but yes, the cakes do feel a little bit like they're gonna fall out. That would be my only downside to it. Other than that though, these are beautiful colors. I can't wait to use them. Now, what I am going to make with this is, my friend Shaiyeh had a new Hexi Cardi wrap come out, and it is gorgeous. She used the Horizon yarn, but she used the Christmas colorway. Now that one I thought that I purchased, so I will double check on my purchases and see and double check, because that one was 50% off. That's why I was purchasing it. I will double check that, but I wanted to make the Christmas one and then also have it in, you know, your everyday kind of colors. So I will double check, see if I have another bag from Hobbii coming. But I want to link Shaiyeh's pattern down below so you guys can go check it out. She also has a tutorial up working your way through her pattern. So I encourage you to try it out, but these yarns are perfect for that because because they're chunkier striping. And so since you are doing a hexi, right, you're doing a hexagonal design, your stripes are going to be each a different color because of how long the stripe would be as you go around the square, right? So it's going to be so pretty. I can't wait. Ah, yay. Yarn hauls are so much fun, aren't they? Okay, so I just double checked and it looks like I did order the Christmas colorway. I ordered 3 of them and they were shipped separately. So I should be getting those on Saturday is the expected delivery date. And I can't wait to show you guys that, but I will just share those with you on my next live after they've come in. So I hope you have enjoyed this little haul. Very small one, but I just wanted to pop in and share that with you guys because I was very excited to open the bag. And again, if you're interested in doing the Hexi Cardi wrap by Shaiyeh, I will link all of that down below for you. Also, if you'd like to see me interview her on the channel, she was my first guest on the In the Hive series. So I will also link that interview down below as well. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're let know every time I post new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.